In this video we will tell you the latest BNB Binance Coin news and Binance price predictions. BNB outperforms on long-term trading metrics on Tuesday. Project 12 unveils P12 Arcana, collaborating with BNB Chain and Quest 3 for unprecedented gaming event. Price analysis for BNB. It appearances that BNB crypto is about to break out. Binance and Cardano are losing consumers to the anonymous exchanges. NFT upcoming events and latest updates. BSC News. Why are these famous people investing in Binance, Big Eyes Coin, and ApeCoin? The cryptocurrency exchange Binance has added XRP to its dual investing offerings. BNB has a 77 long-term technical grade. The scoring system takes into account the coin's recent trading patterns, which range from a few months to a year, as well as its location in comparison to long-term averages. The research might help traders determine if there is a strong buy and hold investment opportunity right now. BNB presently outperforms 77% of the cryptos in circulation in terms of long-term technical analysis. The long-term rank is especially important for buy and hold investors who expect strong, consistent returns from their investments. Combining a good long-term technical score with a strong short-term technical score may also help portfolio managers discover currencies that have bottomed out. Trading analysis. BNB is now trading at $295.14, a $21.19 increase over the coin's 100-day moving average of $273.95. Meanwhile, BNB is up $110.60 from its 52-week low of $184.54 and down minus $374.21 from its 52-week high of $669.35. BNB's current price in respect to the coin's long-term average, 52-week high and low offers an excellent long-term technical score of 77. The price movement and range of BNB suggests that investors are now apathetic towards the currency. BNB has a market capitalization of $47,616,572,595.57 and a rather high average daily volume of $5,355,226,349.62 traded in a typical 24-hour period. In the preceding 24 hours, BNB volume was lower than its 7-day average, with 788,659,008.44 traded. The coin subclasses payments, other, a payment method for products and services, or a platform that allows investors to utilize other cryptocurrencies for payments, money transfers, withdrawals, deposits, and other activities. These coins are often more specialized than digital money coins, which try to replicate all features of cash. Based on technical study over the past year, BNB has gotten a strong long-term technical score of 77, indicating that its price movement has given traders reason to be neutral on the coin in the long run. P12 Arcana, in partnership with the International 2022, one of the world's top eSport Pro events, is set to become the largest Web3 gaming carnival of 2022. This event, co-created by BNB Chain and Quest 3, includes a range of exciting and engaging activities for users, such as playing and calculating winnings for huge rewards, lotteries, and voting contests. Furthermore, fans will be able to win significant rewards by rooting for their favorite champions and players, delivering a familiar but altogether new experience. P12 Arcana's pre-launch in September highlighted the immense demand and excitement around the event ahead of its official debut on October 1, 2022. The carnival will run 1 month, from November 1 to November 1, 2022. Boyang, the event's creator, explains the event's goal and aim. P12 has set out to rebuild and reinvent Web3 gaming. We are all aware of the current chasm that exists between gamers and Web3 users. P12 Arcana will be the biggest Web3 gaming carnival in 2022, and it will be P12's next powerful effort to unite and link old-school gamers and Web3 players in the same gaming worlds that we all love and admire. This event will usher in a whole new era of Web3 gaming, enabling both old and new audiences to partake in a virtual experience unlike any other. P12 Arcana, the gaming event of the year, is the ultimate experience for a global audience of gamers, eSport fans, Web3 connoisseurs, and others. To take part in this frictionless, trustless, and decentralized cyber gaming carnival, go to Airdrop. P12 Games Arcana. Regarding Project 12. Project 12 is a Web3 gaming environment with a self-sustaining economy. The P12 ecosystem promotes and assures true ownership, transparent price discovery, guaranteed liquidity, verified scarcity, and enforced governance for a fully sustainable Web3 game economy model. The BNB price is trading around the top trend line of the consolidation phase on the daily price chart. The 20 and 50 EMAs, as well as the 100 and 200-day daily moving averages, are all trading above the BNB coin. The BNB BTC exchange rate is presently 0.01466 BTC, down 1.41% on the day. The BNB price is now trading around the 2021 lows, aiming to build strong upward momentum on the chart. The currency is striving to emerge from its consolidation period and gain positive support. If the BNB currency is to emerge from the consolidation phase, it must attract new buyers. Before descending from BNB and being trapped inside a range-bound zone, the token created a symmetrical triangular pattern. To avoid further chart degradation, BNB must exit the consolidation phase. The current CMP for BNB is $285.80, signifying a 0.27% fall in market capitalization over the last 24 hours. The number of transactions increased by 35% during intraday trading. This indicates how BNB is now battling to keep bull support. The ratio of volume to market capitalization is 0.01561. The BNB coin's price is seeking to exit the consolidation period on the daily chart. To break out of the pattern, the token needs the assistance of bulls. Investors in BNB should keep an eye on the daily chart for any changes in trend. Before making any judgments about the coin's movement, BNB investors should wait. Because it is continually sliding below the average line on the chart, the volume must increase to indicate a BNB token breakout. What do BNB's technical indicators say? The BNB token is trapped within a horizontal range-bound zone on the daily chart. The cryptocurrency is seeking to gain momentum in an uptrend on the chart. Technical indications on the daily price chart confirm the downward trend of BNB. The relative strength index displays the decline of the BNB currency as it approaches neutrality. The BNB coin's MACD signals a period of consolidation. The MACD line is above the signal line, indicating that BNB crypto is on the mend. To stop the movement of the BNB currency, investors must wait until one of the crossings occurs. Conclusion: the BNB price is now trading around the 2021 lows, aiming to build strong upward momentum on the chart. The currency is striving to emerge from its consolidation period and gain positive support. If the BNB currency is to emerge from the consolidation phase, it must attract new buyers. Before descending from BNB and being trapped inside a range-bound zone, the token created a symmetrical triangular pattern. Before making any judgments about the coin's movement, BNB investors should wait. Because it is continually sliding below the average line on the chart, the volume must increase to indicate a BNB token breakout. Technical indications on the daily price chart confirm the downward trend of BNB. Binance and Cardano are losing consumers to the anonymous exchanges. The development of cryptocurrencies has simplified and reduced the cost of acquiring and exchanging digital assets for investors. Tokens like Binance Coin and Cardano are used by traders and investors to buy and sell assets in the crypto market. Analysts notice that BNB and ADA are having difficulty attaining their previous ATHs. Analysts predict that these currencies will suffer another catastrophic plunge with little chance of recovery. As a consequence, investors are actively investigating alternative cryptocurrencies like the Hideaways, which enables them to invest in luxury houses all around the world for as little as $100. Cryptocurrency is ushering in a new age of financial trading, and HDWY will take it a step further by disrupting the $230 trillion real estate industry. Is Binance Coin losing credibility? The price of BNB surged during the bull market run in 2020 to 2021, producing a tremendous spike in interest in the coin and cryptocurrencies in general. However, the crypto market had begun to tumble by December of last year. Analysts believe that if the critical support level of $200 is breached, a further plunge below $40 is unavoidable. BNB is now worth $264 with marginal support at $260. Technical analysts predict two likely hopeful scenarios. The price of BNB breaks through $260 and falls below $200, or the price of BNB holds at $260 and rises to its next resistance level of $350. In contrast to the unpredictability of BNB pricing, the current Hideaways token price is 1 cent and is expected to rise by at least 85 cents in the next year. Cardano may not withstand another large drop, according to technical experts. Leading technical analysts predict that Cardano will see another significant dip before obtaining enough momentum to recover. The ADA coin's price has rebounded to 40 cents after a 1.31% retracement. It is now available for purchase for a cost of 44 cents. The coin is trading in a horizontal channel, with an intraday high of 45 cents and a low of 44 cents. Trade volume dropped from $122 million to $81 million in a single day. Moving to HDWY at a presale price of 1 cent per token is proposed by cryptocurrency traders. Prices for ADA and BNB have only decreased. However, HDWY has increased by 100% to 2 cents. The Hideaways, breaking down cryptocurrency trading barriers. The Hideaways coin is a new cryptocurrency that defies traditional investment constraints. The goal of HDWY is to help investors fractionalize real estate-anchored NFTs. This technique provides investors with 20% passive income and real estate price increase, in addition to the advantages given by traditional real estate investing. HDWY also offers its clients additional benefits such as exclusive membership privileges, 2 streams of passive income, capital appreciation, and much more. The smart contract has been audited by the cryptographic security firm Solid Proof. Liquidity is guaranteed eternally, and they contribute more to liquidity than other presale projects, in addition to the team tokens being locked for 2 years. For only $100 you can join the HDWY community and experience real estate dealing on a whole new level. NFT provides BSC News updates. Since its inception on September 14th, the NFT has continued to deliver benefits and incentives to investors. In addition to pre-launch partners offering incentives, BSC News NFT has collaborated with more BNB chain efforts to give further utility. In addition to utility drops, the team has held Twitter Space AMAS, Twitch game streams, and other community events. Let's go through the most recent BSC News NFT developments and news. Twitter Spaces, DG Pals, and TENFI airdrops are all available. To start off the BNB chain ecosystem benefits, BSC News NFT partners DG Pals and 10 Finance provided airdrops to BSC News NFT holders. Holders got a package of in-game items, as well as $500 SOPL for everybody who had an NFT minted. Holders must create an account on DG Pals using the same wallet address as the BSC News NFT in order to redeem their airdrop. The TENFI airdrop was more of a direct token giveaway, with TENFI distributing $1,000 and $10 to holders equally. Future holder incentives will be available soon as well, so stay tuned to learn more about the next perk in our ongoing partnership with TENFI. Both projects also participated in separate BSC News NFT Twitter Spaces, where they debated the NFT industry and offered new information about the relationships. Admission to the OArts Lab Mint. In addition to the airdrops, BSC News NFT holders were whitelisted for the OArts Lab Snapshot Mint Passes. These passes allow users to mint one NFT from each OArts Lab's NFT collection. NFB and NFA Ape Swap Competition. The Ape Swap NFB and NFA raffle-style giveaway also took place, with 5 randomly selected holders getting a free NFB and 1 lucky winner receiving an NFA. BSC News NFT also ran a Mint for Mint promotion with Ziggiverse, in which users who minted a set number of Ziggiverse NFTs received a free BSC News NFT. Users that minted a BSC News NFT within a specified number of mints would also get a Ziggiverse NFT. During the campaign, lucky minters received 20 BSC News NFTs and 20 Ziggiverse NFTs. Twitch gaming streams. Through Twitch live broadcasts, Tom, the BSC News NFT social media and marketing lead, has been connecting with the community. These live broadcasts allow the community to communicate directly with the BSC News NFT and learn more about the organization. The BSC News NFT is presently being minted on Rareboard. For just 0.4 BNB, you may have access to exclusive premium BSC News content as well as a variety of additional BNB chain ecosystem benefits. If you're looking for a certain BSC News NFT, check out NFT Key, the official secondary market. Bitcoin initiatives are often promoted by celebrities and social media influencers. Big Eyes Coin does this on purpose to generate interest in the project, while Binance does it to promote cryptocurrency to audiences that have never heard of it before. But who are the celebrities involved, and what are their contributions to these projects? In this video, we will examine Big Eyes Coin, Binance, and ApeCoin, as well as the celebrities with whom they are cooperating, to discover what value these individuals bring to the efforts. The Kaby Lame Binance collaboration will increase Web3 awareness. Binance has launched a partnership with TikTok star Kaby Lame to boost awareness of Web3 technology via videos that answer frequently asked Web3 questions, as well as an exclusive NFT line. Binance's engagement with well-known individuals is nothing new. Earlier this year, the exchange began working with football legend Cristiano Ronaldo to launch a unique NFT line to pique the interest of sports fans in cryptocurrency. Working with a TikTok star like Kaby Lame is a good way for Binance to attract a Gen Z audience that is still learning about Web3 and crypto technology and wants to see it explained in an easy-to-understand manner. Snoop Dogg's involvement on the other side demonstrates ApeCoin's potential. Snoop Dogg's involvement with the Bored Ape Yacht Club and their Metaverse project, on the other hand, although not a formal connection with ApeCoin, this is undoubtedly excellent promotion for the project. Snoop Dogg, who performed alongside Eminem at the VMAs earlier this year, is a major fan of Otherside, having performed in the Metaverse. Displaying the potential of Otherside in such a public manner is a fantastic kind of advertisement that also works to increase the value of the token around which the Metaverse is built. This would have been a fantastic result for ApeCoin holders, and an excellent first introduction to the technology for those who are unfamiliar with the Metaverse. Big Eyes Coin has teamed up with Yeta Wabito. Big Eyes Coin, as previously said, is a newly launched meme token project that leverages social media influencers to improve project visibility. Crypto influencers on Twitter, like Yeta Wabito, have started to get involved. Yeta Wabito is a Bitcoin enthusiast who has over 100,000 followers on Twitter. Her engagement in new crypto projects is considerable, with her Twitter page mostly utilized to broadcast the most recent crypto news and keep her followers up to speed on the hottest projects hitting the market, such as Big Eyes Coin. Yeta Wabito's Big Eyes Coin work consists mostly of her tweeting about the effort, which includes a tweet and links to enter to win the Big Eyes Coin award. Her most recent tweet of this kind has received over 275 likes in less than a week, with the post's viewership likely to be far higher. Big Eyes Coin's social media marketing efforts seem to be working, as the project has progressed to the third pre-sale round after receiving more than $3.3 million. Big Eyes Coin's potential is infinite, and it is difficult to anticipate where the project will go next as marketing proceeds. Binance has expanded its dual investment product line to include XRP. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange just introduced a new set of dual investment options. The subscription will be available on a first-come, first-served basis beginning at 10 a.m. UTC. Binance has expanded its dual investment product line to include XRP. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange also launched a new batch of dual investment products with updated target prices and settlement dates, enabling consumers to use Binance's sell high or buy low option. The subscription will begin today at 10 a.m. UTC, according to a recent Binance announcement. The subscription mechanism is based on first-come, first-served. Furthermore, according to the announcement, the dual investment would allow clients to buy or sell cryptocurrencies at their preferred price. Binance will also allow customers to trade on their selected date at no cost. The dual investment has two characteristics: sell high and buy low. Sell large is intended for users who want to make significant profits on their crypto holdings, as well as those who want to sell the deposit currency at a better price in the future. Customers who wish to maximize the value of their stablecoin holdings should use the buy low tool. Customers who wish to buy a cryptocurrency at a future price lower than the market price on the subscription date may also use this feature. XRP is now trading at 0.4688%, up 5.02% in 24 hours, but down 1.44% in 7 days, with a circulating supply of 49.90 B and a 24-hour trading volume of $1,917,930,846. XRP is ranked 6th among all cryptos. This is Crypto Block IQ. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest price analysis and trading systems signals. We focus on BNB Binance Coin News Today, Terra Luna Classic News Today, XRP Ripple. Binance USD Price Technical Analysis. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the right to get to more Bitcoin, Luna, Binance Coin BNB and XRP Ripple Price Prediction Analysis.